Totoo ba itong loan to win raffle promo ni Pag-ibig sa mga MPL borrowers? Answer, yes friends, totoo po ito. Legit po ito, hindi po ito fake news. Kailan ang raffle draw at magkano naman ang ma-receive ng mga winners? Ito po. So raffle draw schedules May 23, August 22, November 21, and December 19, 2025. So yung May 23, August 22, and November 21 ay mga preliminary draws. So may ma-receive po ang winners na 15,000, 21 winners po, 21 winners naman ng 10,000 pesos, and 210 winners ng 5,000. Ayan po. So sa grand draw naman, December 19, 2025, merong 4 winners ng 50,000 pesos, 4 winners of 40,000, 16 winners of 30,000, then 80 winners of 10,000. Two thumbs up Pag-ibig fan, good news po ito. Nagbibigay po sila ng raffle prizes no sa mga MPL borrowers. So sino mag-qualify nito? Yung mga MPL borrowers from April to December 2025. Ayan po. So for more queries po regarding this loan to win raffle draw ng Pag-ibig fan, meron silang website. Ayan po nakalagay sa baba. And Facebook page. So thank you for watching friends. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and two thumbs up.